आहात. So how do you look at that when you are selecting a candidate and when you say you want to defeat BJP? How would you see that most number of seats are elected from a Congress party ticket? Because you also aware how BJP is strong in
Yes.
North. So how do you say that?
So we will have to give special focus on North Goa, because although we cannot take South Goa for granted, not at all, but North गोवाचेर आमकां चड फोकस दिवचो पडटलो. नॉर्थ गोवाकूय प्रश्न खूब आसा. 70 पासून तिसवाडी पर्यंत प्रश्न आसा, जाल्यार ते वेगवेगळे प्रश्न, वेगवेगळे तांची सोल्युशन्स कशीं आसा ती पळोवन, त्याच प्रमाणे वेगवेगळे मतदारसंघांत कोण मनीस काम करता बरे डायरेक्शनान, जो BJPचे ही जी आज भ्रष्टाचार चल्ला, BJPचे जे आज गोंयचें डिस्ट्रक्शन चल्लां, ताजे विरोधान कोण मनीस सिन्सियरली काम करता, आनी आमचे ब्लॉक्स, आमचे ऑर्गनायझेशन, आमची डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी जावं हांचे टेंडमान कोण काम करता आनी तांचे एक्सेप्टन्स असलेले कोण आसतले, अशे लोकांक प्राधान्य म्हणल्यार प्रायोरिटी दिवपाचो आमचो फोकस आसतलो. आनी त्याच बरोबर वी वील ट्राय टू स्ट्रेंथन अवर ऑर्गनायझेशन फ्रॉम द ग्रासरूट लेवल इन ऑल दीस एरियाज.
How many seats?
We are already started discussions and talks with the people who have gone away from the party for various reasons. And I will say, when I say that, the people who have gone to non-BJP parties. Secondly, this definition does not include the defectors. There is no place for defectors. Fullda daranchani vatna, fatla daranchani vatna. And when I say defectors, those people who got elected and cheated the people, cheated the God, and went to BJP for their selfish interests.
Yuri, तुमचा LOP म्हणटा 27 आणि 27 थंय उलयता. नॉर्थाक कितले हाडूंक शकता तुमी?
पळय, म्हाका तुका एक्झॅक्ट आय वील टेल यू वन थिंग. 27 आणि 27 आमी जेन्ना म्हणटा, तो जर फिगर पळोवशीत जाल्यार वी वील गेट अ सबस्टेन्शियल, दीस टायम एवरीबडी वील गेट सरप्रायज. वी वील हॅव अ सबस्टेन्शियल फिगर. वी आर वर्किंग व्हेरी हार्ड ऑन दॅट. आनी Yuri, Alemao, लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन, इज डुईंग हीज जॉब व्हेरी वेल, along with our working presidents, आमचो MP आसा Viriato बाब, and as far as the organization is concerned, everybody, I will say, we luckily have got a very robust, strong, good organization, and we have got a very strong Mahila Congress team led by Advocate Pratiksha Kalab. We have got a strong Youth Congress team led by Advocate Archit Naik. Along with that, we have got a vibrant Sevadal team. Then we have got good departments, and we are also trying to get more, infuse more strength to their organizations in this coming time.
उलयता ते भाशेन सुनिलाची स्पीड वाडल्या कशी दिसता?
ना, म्हजी स्पीड सदांच तितलीच आसता, चड वाडपाची गरज नासता. बिकॉज आय बिलीव इन बीइंग ग्रावंडेड. वाऱ्यान उडपाचेर हांव आय डोंट बिलीव. आय बिलीव इन प्रॅक्टिकल अप्रोच. आय बिलीव इन बीइंग एट द ग्रासरूट्स एंड वर्किंग. आणि दॅट इज वॉट आय बिलीव इज द नीड ऑफ एन आर.
सो नॉर्थ गोवाक डेफिनेटली काँग्रेस वील
100%. ना जाल्यार सी, वी इन द असेंब्ली स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ 40, we have to cross the 20 mark. We are planning, as our leader of opposition Yuri has said, that 27 म्हणून we will try to push and reach there, that mark.
तर आयज एक रिझायन जालो तुमचो आमचो नाझरेथ फ्रॉम.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.